Hey everybody, Cowboy here. Today we take a quick look at the SP500 chart on the high time frame so we can see what may happen in the next few months. And if you stick around after the clip, you'll be able to find out more about who we are and what we do, or simply go to the website you see on the bottom right there, www.algofactory.tech, or zap the QR code. In the meantime, enjoy the clip. But the point here is that in order to know how this is going to react, you have to backtest, right? So we're on the daily chart for the SP500. And if you want to know, okay, well, generally my algo works XYZ%. You backtest, you get your percentages, you know how it's going to work. It's going to be different for QQQ, aka US 100. It's going to be different for the FTSE, US 30, aka the Dow. But if you want to look at the chart, I mean, look, I think the Santa rally is in. It almost looks like it's going to beat this, high, but 46.34 is what the larger number to beat going back to the summertime. But look here, you're at a resistance right now, like literally rejecting off. So right now, price easily could fall from this 45.60. I mean, it's bullish. I can tell you that, like algo wise, it wants to head up. And remember, what we're seeing right now is a Christmas rally, like I think it's being orchestrated. Really, I think that's the proper word for what's going on. I mean, we're making money cheap not cheap, but we're perceptively cheap. We're not raising rates for a minute. So it does seem to be pushing price upward, but I could tell you on a high time frame, volatility is pretty low. So what you can expect, of course, looking at the monthly, it's down below 20, well below 20. And so on the monthly, we're in a consolidation, and we're going to continue to be so until that changes. And then if you look on the weekly, it's the same thing, I think. Let me see. Weekly is just below 20, right? So now we're in a consolidation area. On the weekly, though, remember, that's a pretty big time frame. So we're probably going to build, at least for a month or two, we're probably going to build this range. Price may come down, price may go up, but it's probably going to, have a range kind of like this back here, something along these lines, right? But it'll happen here, maybe not for as long, right? It might go through January, something like that. So I think what'll happen is, with stocks, I don't know that it's going to break these highs because energy has pretty much gone away on the weekly, right? You don't necessarily, in order to break those kind of high time frame highs, you got to have energy going above the, ADX has to go above 20. At least historically, that helps. So that's what I expect. And this is going to be the same across all your indexes, probably. I don't know what the FTSE, but, your NASDAQ is going to be very similar. So I expect price to just kind of be range locked. I don't think it's going to break above 46.35. It could. Of course, anything can happen. ADX could pop up earlier than expected. We are looking at a Christmas rally, but look, I mean, there's only a month left before Christmas. So it's not like we have all this time for this huge, massive rally. Like, we're already halfway through it. So if we do get a breakout above this, I think it would be temporary. Hey everybody, Cowboy here. Thank you for joining us today. Don't forget you can go over to www.algofactory.tech. Zap the QR code on the screen. Get us on Twitter at algo_factory777. And don't forget, we help people become traders. We help also to put people on the road to creating an algorithm that you can automate if that's what you would want to do. You can walk away, trade, it's a beautiful thing. And limited time, $49.99 a month for the membership. We hope to see you there. Thanks.